guys, Helio here, and today we'll be reviewing and talking about the Infinix Note 8, the higher version of the Infinix Note 8i. Alright, now let's go to settings so you can see some of the specs of the phone. Got the settings. Per the higher version, it has a higher 6GB RAM and a higher 128GB internal storage. Okay, now it also has a dual front-facing camera and a 64MP quad rear cameras. Right, the same battery capacity of the Infinix Note 8i, the same chip, the same version of Android, and the same screen resolution of 720 by 1640. No much difference there, except for the internal storage and the RAM. Alright, and the cameras at the back and front. Now look at the camera there, two camera setup. First is 16MP, the second is a 2MP camera. Okay, at the back of it, it has 4 cameras and 4 tiny LEDs there. The first is 64MP, the remaining 3 are all 2MPs each. Alright, SIM 1, SIM 2, and a SD card slot. A dual Nano-SIM plus dedicated SD card slot. At the bottom of the phone, you have the mic, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C also, and a circular speaker, just like the Infinix Note 8i. No difference there. By the side, look at the volume button there. You also have the fingerprint scanner there that acts as the power button of the Infinix Note 8. Same setup of the Infinix Note 8i. Okay, now see, acts as the fingerprint scanner and also acts as the power button of the Infinix Note 8. Alright, the screen is almost the same thing as the Infinix Note 8i. Very saturated, bright enough when you increase to the highest. Okay, the phone, it feels premium like, doesn't weigh that heavy, feels light enough. Okay, now that is basically what to expect from the Infinix Note 8. It has almost the same features as the Infinix Note 8i, just a larger camera setup at the back. Okay, 2 setup camera at the front, while the Note 8i has just 1. Alright, and a larger storage, larger RAM, larger storage, larger camera at the back, and the dual hole punch camera at the front. Alright, that is the difference between the Infinix Note 8 and Note 8i. Okay, but in all, it feels premium like. Right, it's worth every penny buy. Okay, if you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. Until our next video, bye guys.